Hello everyone, Kelly Fry with Water One. I am the communications specialist for Water One, and I also run our educational programs. So today I thought we would talk about the water cycle. I'm going to have my 4-year-old son join us in an experiment to learn about clouds and where water goes after it rains. So come join us. For today's cloud experiment, you will need the following supplies: a vase. You can also use a large clear bowl, but make sure you can see through it. About 2 cups of water. A pitcher filled with about another 2 to 3 cups of water. Food coloring, specifically blue food coloring, unless you want it to rain a different color, which would totally be awesome. An eyedropper. You can also use a straw if you don't have an eyedropper. And then shaving cream, which is always super fun to play with. And I like to have a towel and paper towels because I have a child. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm excited to talk about clouds.
All right, Charlie, are you ready to make clouds? The first step to making a cloud and rain is to take this pitcher of water and pour it in this vase. Awesome job. Look at all that water. Okay, our second step is super fun. We're gonna make clouds with shaving cream. Oh goodness. Okay, here, Mommy, do it. We do it together. Put your finger on there with me. Ooh. Look at our clouds, Charlie. The next step is to make it rain. So we need some blue food coloring. Can you put some blue food coloring in here, Charlie?
If we were to make rain a lot.
Okay, let's stir that up with our straw here and see how it looks. Ooh.
The rain's gonna look great in our clouds.
It is. Okay, now use your dropper, and I want you to put the raindrops on top of the cloud. Because where does rain come from?
A cloud.
That's right.
And guess what? Is it gonna drop down in here?
Let's find out. Oh, I guess I should teach you how to use a dropper first. So you put the dropper in, squeeze the bulb, let go of the bulb, and then it sucks up the water. And squeeze it in there. Is anything happening yet? Nope. I think we need a few more tries.
What are we gonna do?
Well, we're putting rain inside the cloud, and it's gonna rain inside of our vase here. You know what? We put so much shaving cream in there, we're gonna need lots of rain on top. So keep going there, cutie. And you can also take a straw and dunk that in, put your finger on top, lift it up, and then let go of it.
Let's each do ours.
Good idea. Let's do it together.
And then it will be good. Look, it's starting to rain.
Is it starting to rain? That's a thick cloud. What kind of cloud would you call this, Charlie?
Cumulus nimbus.
Cumulus nimbus. Good job. Oh, I think it's starting to rain. Look, Charlie.
Is it gonna lightning in there?
Maybe. Cumulus nimbus clouds do turn into storm clouds
No!
sometimes.
Guess what? No, about the raindrops knocking into each other.
Look, Charlie, it's raining. Yes, you're right. The raindrops knock into each other.
And static electricity.
That's right. And then what happens? Lightning. We really like lightning. Charlie, what happens after it rains? Where does the rain go? Do you know?
Down there.
Down on the ground? Hey, Charlie, when rain falls down our street, and washes away, where does it go?
In the storm drain.
In the storm drain, that's right. And where does the storm drain go?
Into the creek.
Into the creek.
In the house.
That's right, it goes into our creek. So that means we have to be really careful about any trash that's outside, because if it rains, where will the trash go?
In the storm drain.
Yeah, and then into our creek, and we don't want that, do we?
Why?
Because then there'll be trash in the creek. Wow, Charlie, that looks great.
And look at mine. It's gonna be awesome.
Ooh, I can't wait. Whoa! Charlie, what's your favorite thing about water?
Because it's so strong and it washes things. I'm done.
All right. Good job, bud.
Almost. Done.
It's beautiful.
Thank you, boys and girls.
Thank you,
for
boys and
watching.
That's right. Thanks, everybody, for watching. We hope that you can make a cloud system at home and find your local storm drain and figure out where it leads to and talk about the water cycle and where water goes once it rains. Cheers and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help, honey.